Summary blocks let you display content from blogs, shop, and events on different parts of your website. Let me start with Carousel, for example. It doesn't matter what I start with, I can change this layout later, and I can change the featured text, header text, aspect ratio of the image, a number of items per row, text size, alignment, and metadata. And in terms of content, it can be a blog, events, or shop. So you're not limited to just one shop page. You can show your items like products and blogs throughout the site, like on your homepage, inside your blog posts, and everywhere else. There are multiple creative ways to use summary blocks. For example, on my own website, I'm using a summary block to display the collection of templates. So this is a summary block that uses products, and it's just showing the thumbnail image. Another way to use a summary block is to create a carousel of testimonials. You create a special blog for testimonials, but you add your content not as a body of text in a blog post, but as an excerpt. And then when you put your testimonial summary block in here, you just turn everything off except for the excerpt and set it to be centered and show only one item per row. And yet another creative way to use summary block is to make a featured blog post carousel like this one, like the one I'm using on my own blog, so that people who follow you can discover more of your content.